Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your glute muscles. Whether you're setting PRs on the squat rack or constantly lifting heavy boxes at work, your glutes can become stiff, sore, or carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the dampener for the glutes since they're a larger muscle group requiring a larger contact surface area. You can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow you to personalize your usage for your own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding down the power button, then set the treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while you're treating your glutes. I recommend the reverse grip because it makes the application simple without any strain on your shoulder, wrist, or elbow. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your glutes, we recommend the following protocol. You'll apply the Theragun for 30 seconds total in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then the insertion of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally, you'll want to go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from end to end. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax your glutes, we recommend using it all over the muscle, back and forth, side to side, for 2 minutes total. This is going to feel amazing since this muscle gets used frequently. Remember, we want the Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find what works best for you.